Hey beautiful people, what's up? So welcome to the next episode. In the very quick episode that I'm going to discuss right now is all about positioning your SaaS or software development. Why exactly it is so important? Position and crystal clear communication around your brand so that your value proposition is strongly communicated, that the people very clearly know that how exactly you can help them generate. Today, in this competitive marketplace, it has become very difficult to cut through the noise and communicate a very clear message to the target market, how exactly can help them to bring a change in their business process. And why exactly any organization, any company hires a software development company? It's because they want to bring some change in their organization. Maybe some change around cutting down the cost, some change around improving the profit. How exactly your software development company or your SaaS can fit into that specific. Now, most of the companies into marketing their softwares, the communication strategy is still not. Randomly you DM people, randomly you cold call email. The point is, are you getting any result? It's because your brand is not exactly positioned strongly in the subconscious mind of the people. Positioning means how exactly you want your prospect to feel when they meet you for the how exactly you want your prospect to conceive and think your brand when they stumble upon your message for the very first time. What is that one message or what is that one narrative that you think should be the central messaging of your entire organization? So without any further ado, today I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a step-by-step process how you can create a very strong positioning of a company so that you cut through the noise, get into the inbox of your prospect, gain their attention and ensure that the prospect communicates. So without any further, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen right now, I have a prompt here. The prompt is all about figuring out the market. What is the market that you're going? Most of the SaaS founders and software development inside sales directors, I have seen that you target everybody. As said what in says, if you are targeting everybody, then you are targeting. Even Steve Jobs have said, if you want to satisfy everyone, then better go and sell ice cream. So when it comes to marketing, you have to be very clear about the market. That means the segment that you are going after. So this particular prompt that you are seeing on the screen, I want you to act as a top tier market research specialist for an ERP solution development company. So we are trying to take a use case. The use case is from our client base. Focusing on potential lead generation, identify and present the key segments we should target in a tabular format, including segment name, country name, designations of the decision makers within each segment. Let us see what ChatGPT has for us. So we have chatgpt.com. I'm using ChatGPT 4. It's a free version right now. ChatGPT has given this version absolutely open to each and every subscription user. So I use this prompt right now. So the moment I use the prompt, let us see what ChatGPT returns me. So you see, beautifully it has given me all the popular segments where a ERP solution providing manufacturing, healthcare, retail, construction, education, financial services, hospitality, logistics, transportation, government and public sector professional services. And of course, it has also given me very important data around the geography. What are the most potential and performing geography when this particular kind of industries are desperately looking for a ERP solution? That means these are the industries where ERP solutions actually help them change certain critical change in their business operations. And most of the time the business operation is related to either improve the operational efficiency by bringing in accountability, improving the productivity that eventually connects to the top line revenue. Might be cutting down the cost or improving the profit. Now I have the geography here, manufacturing USA and the key stakeholders as well. The people who are responsible for hiring and onboarding a software development company responsible for developing a solution. These are the people who are going to play as a key decision maker in the entire sales process. Operation manager, supply chain, CEO and CEO. Now let us see what next. The next is all about building the ideal customer profile. Now that I have a list of all the decision makers within the manufacturing segment or sector, within these specific countries, I would like to know what are the interest, demography, psychographic features and the behavioral aspects of these specific key decision makers. Because each and every decision maker will have their own specific unique primary motivation to onboard and use a ERP solution. A CIO might be worried about data management A CTO might be worried about technical integrations, while an operation manager will be worried about generating easy to read reports in just one click. Maybe the supply chain manager might be worried about having a top-notch transparency around the workflow or the shipment logs. So you see, in a specific sector like manufacturing in USA, the people those are responsible playing a very key important role to ensure or evaluate whether a ERP solution provider must come in or not. They have their own specific needs and wants. So the next step is going to be to build an ideal customer profile of each one of these key users. So I want you to act as a market research analyst, create a detailed ideal customer profile of chief operating officer. I'll take the example of a CEO, specifically in the manufacturing industry in the USA. Include key demographics, job responsibility, pain points, purchasing behavior of this target persona. Let us see what it has for us. So let us make this as CIO, Chief Information Officer. So let us see what ChatGPT has for us. So it's giving me the pain points right now. Cyber security, budget constraint, data management, talent acquisition, regulatory compliance, pain point. I must say these all are the behaviors, buying behaviors or the hurdles or the barriers you can say. Purchasing behavior, value focused vendor relationship. They are very keen about consultation, right? Most of the sales that's going to happen in 2024 in the service industry are with relationship selling. So they are valuing the vendor relationship, trial and proof of concept they want. Definitely, as a software service provider, you should be proactive enough to build a POC, a proof of concept decision making process. So I must say these all are the triggers. For a better concise view, give me the above in a tabular format. So right now, I know in and out, I have a proper outline of my ideal customer profile, who is the CIO in the manufacturing industry within the United States of America, responsible or might be playing a very important role in hiring or onboarding a ERP solution provider. Right now, I need positioning it. How exactly am I going to communicate with a CIO within a manufacturing company so that I cut through the noise, gain that fellow's attention, and ensure that he communicates with me? So let us quickly go and scroll down. This is where the third prompts come. Act as a world-class marketing writer. Build a strong positioning statement in the following format. We help manufacturing CIO achieve the main business goals without the main hurdle using the main solution. So we have a template here. If you are using this positioning statement for any of your use cases, all that you have to do is we help the target persona. What's their main goal? What's their main business objective? What is that one goal they want to fulfill after they onboard your services or after they start using your services, right? How exactly it is going to give them some sort of pleasure, or how exactly your service is some sort of remove some sort of pain in their life, right? While they want to achieve the business goal in their current situations with their current resources right now, what's the major hurdle are they facing? And what are the USPs or what are the main benefits that you have right now that can help them to achieve it? So let us see what it has for us. So I'll quickly go to the ChatGPT thing right now. That's super. So you see, it has given me an amazing narrative. I must say it's a narrative. We help manufacturing CEOs achieve operational efficiency, technological innovation without the disruptions of legacy system upgrades, using our seamless integration, ERP solutions and cutting edge fibers. Now it has very important nuggets from the above threads, the discussions that I did with the chatbot. It has given me a very amazing, positioning statement. How exactly I can use. This is going to be the central message. I meant to say that whatever marketing messaging campaign that you build around an organization, whatever study that you build, maybe all the email campaign, maybe the social media campaign, maybe the webinar campaign, maybe the case study campaign, everything is going to revolve around this. Let's say I think a CIO on LinkedIn want to know how CIOs can achieve operational efficiencies, technology innovation without the disruption of legacy system upgrades. Click below to know more. it will immediately grab attention because I'm talking about what they want, what's the major hurdle right now, and how exactly we can help. So if you are a SaaS developer and if you want me to help you, how exactly you can create a killer content strategy, let me inform you that our demand generation mastery is live right now. It's a 10 hours live consultation with our team. If you are a SaaS developer, or let's say if you are a software development firm responsible for developing a content strategy, trust me, the demand generation mastery is going to help you create a solid demand about your services in your target geography. We'll be helping you from scratch, from identifying the segment to building the persona to building the marketing calendar with absolutely done for you systems that will help you to plug and play and get started with your team. We'll also help you in identifying the right resources to build a content marketing team, everything end-to-end support with a lifetime support. So what are you still waiting for? Click on the link below. Get on a call with us. Our team will be helping you that how exactly the demand generation mastery team is going to help you to create an insane demand in the market so that you can create a steady flow of pipeline round the year. Click on the link below to know more. This is Alok Bhatia signing out for now. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.